Okay, so 2015 question 2. So the line P makes equal intercepts and the axis is A and B. So that means that line is equal to that line. When we may not have mentioned this in class now, but when the intercepts are equal, right, okay, the slope is 1, right? It's either a +1 or a -1, and you can clearly see that P is a positive slope, so it's going up, so it's +1. Okay, so then get the equation of P. So it says here's a point x1, y1, and we have the slope as 1, so it's y minus 5 equals 1 into x minus 1, and they want it in the form x, y equals 0. So y minus 5 multiplying by 1, you get x minus 1. So then rearrange minus x plus y. Minus 5 is here already, minus 1 comes over, it becomes +1. So you get minus x plus y minus 4 equals 0. Okay, the line Q is perpendicular, right? Okay, so look, there's right angles there all over the place. See right angles there. Okay, it contains the point. So if it's perpendicular, that means you can get the slope of the new line. So you get the slope of the new line, you turn the old slope upside down and change the sign. So the old slope was 1, right? So that turn it upside down, it's still 1, change the sign, it's -1. Okay, so there's your new point, x1, y1, x2, y2, or sorry, just x1, y1. Y minus 0 equals -1 into x minus 0, multiply out, that's just y equals minus x, so that's x plus y equals 0. Okay, the lines P and Q intersect at the point C. Explain why the triangles OCA and OBC are congruent. So look, there's triangle OCA and OBC is here. Okay, so I'm just going to draw them down here. So they're, one of them is here, right, and the other one is here. Okay, so OCA, so this is OCA and OBC. So OBC. So prove they're congruent. Remember, there's 4 ways you can prove they're congruent. You can do SSS, you can do SAS, ASA, and RHS. So they're my 4 ways of proving something is congruent, right? Okay, so I think I'm probably going to be heading for RHS because look, there's the right angle. So pick something in a triangle OCA. So I'm going to pick angle OCA is equal to angle OCB. Why? Because they're both 90 degrees. How do I know that? Because they told me the lines were perpendicular. Okay. They also told me this line is equal to this line at the top of the sum. So O to A is equal to O to B, right? And they told me, given up at the top. And look, the line OC is in each triangle, isn't it? So the line O to C, this line is in each triangle, so it must be the same. So that's common. So that means your 2 triangles are congruent, and the reason is RHS. We have a right angle, we have the hypotenuse, and we have another side. Okay.